Hello everyone, I am Hariom Verma from Jontech Digital and online learning platform. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Today I am here to brief you all about the latest vacancy as notified by the Odisha Public Service Commission to recruit 210 eligible candidates for the post of Assistant Executive Engineer in Civil Engineering Department. And also I will introduce you about the online course launched by Jontech Digital for the said vacancy. So I will share with you the important details of the recruitment notification. So the examination is being conducted by Odisha Public Service Commission for the post of Assistant Executive Engineer Civil. And the total number of vacancy for the said post is 210. The registration will begin from 26th of August. You can register up to 25th September 2020. The last date to submit online application is 5th October 2020. The selection procedure consists of written test followed by interview. For more information for this recruitment notification and for registration, you need to visit their official website, that is www.opsc.government.in. Now, I will tell you about the eligibility criteria to apply for this vacancy. The candidate must hold a degree in civil engineering from any recognized university or institute. The age limit is 21 to 32 years and the cutoff date for the calculation of age limit is 1st January 2020. The registration fees ₹500 for general candidate and fee has been exempted for the SC, ST and PWD candidates. Okay, the selection procedure consists of written test followed by interview. The written test is divided into two levels, that is prelims and mains. The prelims exams consist of one paper of 100 marks consisting 100 questions and there will be 1/4 negative marking in it. And the mains exam consists of two set of paper of 300 marks each consisting 150 questions in each paper. There will be 1/4 negative marking in it also. The syllabus of prelims exam is on this slide. It consists of 10 subjects and 10 marks have been allotted to each subject. The syllabus of main exam will be shared with you at later stage. So, I would like to introduce you about the online course launched by Jontech Digital for this examination. Jontech is providing video lectures by experts and best coaches of the country. The video lectures are easily accessible 24/7 on Jontech application and official website. Jontech Digital is using multiple teaching techniques for easy learning such as study with visuals, handwritten concept, workbook solution, etc. So let's make your imagination true and make a better future with us. The fee of this online course is 12,000 plus GST. In this fees, Jontech is providing the complete coverage of prelim syllabus, test series, e-books in PDF formats, online doubt solution and chat facilities for the doubts. The test series is divided as topic wise along with 150 plus sets of paper, subject wise along with 20 sets of paper, full length 10 sets of paper. For more information, you can contact us by email, by contact number and by Jontech official website. You can follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter. So thank you for listening and best of luck.